For electric vehicles, battery performance determines range. Golf carts, senior citizen scooters, and sightseeing vehicles are all called low-speed vehicles. But with the wrong battery, they won't run far, won't charge fast, break down fast. Superpack lithium-ion batteries are a new type of clean energy and have become the preferred power source for many light-duty vehicles. Superpack offers high-performance lithium iron phosphate battery packs designed to meet the needs of a wide range of electric vehicles, including golf carts, tour buses, patrol cars, electric tricycles, aerial lifting platforms, and floor scrubbers. Available in 36-volt and 48-volt configurations, Superpack batteries are the dependable choice for all of your light-duty vehicle needs. Golf carts require stable mid-speed output and endurance. Superpack 48-volt 100 ampere-hour packs are ideal for up to 60 kilometers of range, featuring smart BMS that prevents overcharge, over-discharge, and short circuit. For sightseeing or patrol use, you need higher capacity and quick charging. We recommend 72-volt 100 ampere-hour or 48-volt 150 ampere-hour packs, which support continuous operation with fast top-ups between routes. Mobility scooters prioritize lightweight and compact design. Superpack offers 24-volt/60 ampere-hour or 36-volt/50 ampere-hour modules, with excellent low-temperature discharge performance for everyday convenience. Every Superpack battery comes with a built-in intelligent BMS for real-time protection and monitoring. We also offer OEM and ODM customization, from voltage to casing and communication protocols, CAN/RS485. Whether for single units or fleet solutions, we've got you covered. From golf courses to city streets, Superpack's e-mobility batteries power the way forward, safely, efficiently, and reliably. Contact us today to discuss your custom battery solution.